My name is Dr. Kuldeep Garg. I have 28 years of experience as a medical practitioner and have worked with different government hospitals across state of Punjab, India. I joined eHealth Point in the year 2009 and have seen close to 1500 patients during past 1 year. The service delivery model being used at EHP is based on telemedicine delivery technology. Initially, I had apprehensions how this model would work and how I would see the patients and diagnose ailments without being in physical touch with the patients. These apprehensions were short-lived once the EHP model was explained and the telemedicine delivery methodology was discussed with me. Our health points are spread across various rural geographies in state of Punjab. The initial point of contact with the patient is a qualified clinical assistant who takes vital statistics, inputs the reason of visit, and any other information that clinical assistant gathers is entered into electronic medical record software by the clinical assistant. Once the patient is ready to be referred to me on their turn, I have the access to the electronic medical information of the patient entered by the clinical assistant. Clinical assistant connects to me through a video conferencing facility and I discuss signs and symptoms and do further required investigation interacting with the patient and the clinical assistant. Once the diagnosis is done, if required, any further diagnostic tests are performed on an on-site fully equipped laboratory at each EHP. Similarly, there is an on-site pharmacy from where the patients could buy quality medicine at a reasonable price. I feel proud to be part of EHP model that is providing high quality medical services in rural India at a most reasonable price.